Welcome back to TechieTape. In this video, we'll explore together how to create a Ventoy USB drive in Windows. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Creating a Ventoy USB drive on Windows is straightforward because the software is completely portable. Note, this process will completely format your USB drive. Make sure to back up any important files on it before you begin. Download the Ventoy package. Go to the official Ventoy GitHub release page or website and download the Windows file. Extract the files. Right-click the downloaded folder and select Extract All. Choose a destination folder and extract it. Run Ventoy to disk. Plug your USB drive into your computer. Open the extracted folder and double-click Ventoy to disk.exe. If Windows Smart Screen or USC prompts you for permission, click Yes. Select your drive and install. In the Ventoy interface, look at the device drop-down at the top. Ensure your target USB drive is selected. Configure the installation if needed and click the Install button. Confirm the data loss warning prompts to finish the process. Note, you can also update or clear and install the Ventoy version already installed on your USB drive from within the app by clicking the Update or Clear button. Copy your ISO files. Once the installation finishes, a new drive letter named Ventoy will appear in File Explorer. Simply copy and paste or drag and drop your favorite operating system ISO's files, Windows, Linux, etc., directly onto this drive. How to use it? When you restart your computer, access your BIOS boot menu, usually by spamming F12, F11, F9, F8 or Escape during startup. Select your Ventoy USB drive. Instead of booting directly into a single operating system, you'll be greeted by a clean menu listing every single ISO file you dropped onto the drive. Just use your arrow keys to pick the one you want to launch. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.